You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 0.01784. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the coefficients. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 22,422.4. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 0.01784.